Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crop a layer in the Pixlr app. It is a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Pixlr app on your home screen. Now open it. Then choose one photo that you want to edit. After choosing the photo, now you want to add the layer. Now tap onto Tools bar right here. Then here you can find the option of double exposure. Go ahead and select it. Now choose one of these and choose one photo that you want to add as a layer. Now to crop it, tap onto this point right here and then simply pinch it and zoom in just like this. And you can also adjust the place that you want to add. One thing to remember, you can't simply crop it, but you can zoom in or zoom out to adjust the size, just like cropping. And that's it. This is how you can crop a layer in the Pixlr app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.